Okay, so putting a transmission that I just freshly rebuilt back into the 2003 Tacoma with four-wheel drive. So I ran into a couple challenges. I don't have help doing this. So after about 30 minutes of fighting with this thing, I finally found a method where brains definitely beat brawn in muscle. That actually worked real smooth and easy. So here's the setup on the jack stand. So a little padding for the transmission to protect the case with the ratchet strapped around it to hold it in place. So what I did is, because it's back heavy due to this the transfer case on the four-wheel drive, is I routed this ratchet strap like so, tied it down here to secure it, and used this to pick up and support the back end of it. That way I could manipulate it into place. And then it's actually pretty hard to shove this in by hand. So I'm gonna back the camera out and show you. And I mean, this went in smooth as butter once I got it, but with that back end supported, basically, instead of pushing on it like this and trying to shove it in place, I spent 30 minutes, was going nowhere no matter what I did with this back end and everything. And this is actually pretty easy to manipulate up and down because it's basically pivoting on the jack stand, but it's definitely back heavy and wants to fall. So supporting it with this ratchet strap just helped a whole lot. And then basically the way I shoved it in there is just put your feet on like this, and I can manipulate it, rotate it with my feet, and then just use my legs, and it went in smooth as butter. And so now we're all bolted in back here, ready to finish putting this truck back together, and then the moment of truth when we go for the test ride to find out if I did the rebuild correctly.